One of the easiest ways to integrate Back4App to other platforms is by making REST API calls. And one of the easiest ways to make REST API calls is by using Curl, which is an awesome application that does just that. But can ChatGPT generate the curl requests so we can access our data from REST API calls? Let's find out together. So here I have my app in Back4App and I have the dog class which has 2 dogs. And I want to generate a curl request that will retrieve these dogs. So here I have ChatGPT in version 3.5 and I also have my terminal where I'll be executing the curl commands. So in order to proceed, I have to give ChatGPT some information, which is my app ID and my REST API key. You can find this information here on the app settings, security and keys, and here is my application ID that I'm going to copy. And now let's jump to ChatGPT and write our prompt. I have a Parse app in Back4App that has the following app ID and the following REST API key. Now let's go back there and retrieve our REST API key. So I'm going to show it, copy it, and paste. Oops, let's remove that last dot so it won't think it is part of my REST API key. So this app has a class named dog. Make a curl request that retrieves all dogs. Let's see how it does. So it created the GET request with the correct headers for Parse application ID and Parse REST API key, and also pointed in the correct URL. Let's copy this code and execute into my terminal, see how it works. So let's just paste it in. And it retrieved dogs, but I'm going to pass this result to JQ so we can see the result more clearly. So all I'm going to do is put the exact same comment. And at the very end, I'm going to put a pipe JQ so it will format our dogs in a more readable way. So there you go, I have 2 dogs in here. First one is Fido, which is 3 years old, weighs 25 kilos. It's a male, brown, and here's the created that and updated that. And we also have white female Rex, which is 22 kilos and age is 6. Now let's ask ChatGPT to regenerate this code by filtering the dogs by its color. So back to ChatGPT, we're going to reprompt. Rewrite the code above to select only the dogs which has the color property set to white. So once again, it used a GET request, the correct headers for Parse application ID and REST API keys, and it used a data URL encoding a where clause where it has the color equals to white. Also, it directed to the correct URL. So let's copy that. And since I only have one white dog, I should see only that one result right now. So I'm going to paste that in. And once again, we are going to pipe JQ so we can see it more clearly. And there we go, only white dogs displaying. So ChatGPT can generate the REST API calls for curl, which makes it super easy to integrate Back4App with other existing platforms. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or an implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.